All right, bam, right over here. Torque Motorcycle Co. I had to exchange a size 5 for size 6, and it occurred to me that the size 6 box may be a little bit bigger, and it is. When they handed it to me at the counter, I was like, oh dang, that's a lot bigger. And the dude asked me, he's like, you don't got a backpack or something? Because he saw me with my helmet. I was like, no bro, I got saddlebags, dog. So the big question though, the moment of truth, are these gonna fit, dog? Hey, buenos dias, que paso, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I finally got some saddlebags for the FXDX. There's nothing worse than going out to purchase whatever you need to get and not having anywhere to keep it. And personally, I use a backpack a lot, but I hate having a backpack because I just feel like I got that extra weight on my shoulders, you know what I mean? So big shout out. There's a lot of saddlebag options out there. Deviant Fabrications in the past sent me some hard bags, the kind of police defender style bags. Those are really rad. And Torque Motorcycle Co. has sent out these saddlebags, and this is something they gave it to me for free. It's not a paid advertisement per se, but they did give these to me for free, just to put that out there. But I'm gonna tear into them, give you my first initial impressions and thoughts on the saddlebags. We'll go over how much they cost and try to throw them on the bike real quick. Anyway, yeah, here's my first impression. So big shout out to Torque Motorcycle Co. You can follow them on the Instagram at Torque Motorcycle Co. Check out their website, and I'll put a link below. But let's tear into these ones, see what it's all about. See what's up here. Yo, huge shout out. They hooked it up with the hat. Fits like a glove. Heck yeah. Hey, there's nothing like getting some free swag. Oh man, lighting's terrible here. All right, so here's the saddlebag. So as you can see, like I said, there's lots of different style saddlebags out on the market today, and these ones are kind of like I'd say like the Thrash and Supply bag. So they're soft fabric, and I haven't looked up like all the specs. I'll do an in-depth video, but again, I just wanted to tear into them and get them thrown on the bike here. First thing first, you're going to take your seat off, and just to show how easy this is, we'll basically do it one-handed. Actually, hold on. All right, so first thing first, take your seat off. Easy peasy. So you can see it's got this little cut right here to make room for the shocks. So it goes like that, and then you'll just adjust it so that the bags sit where you want them to sit, so they're not too low, not too high. Let me make some adjustments real quick. And I will note, under here, it's got kind of like a non-slip, and this is under your seat anyway, so unless you're a dude who rides with just a solo seat, you know, you might run into some issues there. But with me, I'm always rocking the Saddleman step up, and so I don't foresee any problems. All right, I'm not like super worried about it, but that looks pretty even. All right, put the seat back on. Another cool thing about this is this little piece here actually adds a nice little protective layer when bolting the seat in place. Bam. So that took a total of what, like 2 minutes to get the seat off, get the saddlebags installed, and they're good to go. It doesn't look like you're really gonna run into issues with it hitting the tire or anything, because you're really gonna have to have something like holding it there. Otherwise, I'm sure it'll stay out of the way. So I don't know how it's gonna be if you're like trying to do drifts or wheelies or anything like that, but I don't foresee this going anywhere. Velcro seems pretty solid. You got this piece here just for added security, and it's under the seat. So there you have it. Wicked easy installation. Now we're gonna put it to the test. I'm putting these Torque Motorcycle Co. saddlebags to the test. I did my little unboxing, and I gotta run back. We got these Vans skate highs for my little dude, and they're just a size too small. We're gonna run back, swap them out. Now, as you can see, these saddlebags are not these like huge, monstrous saddlebags. They're pretty low key, low profile, which is actually what I like about them. But you do have your limitations. Regardless, we were able to slip these in like so. I'm gonna run to the store, swap them out real quick, and then be on our way. So we're just gonna put them to the test, maybe rip a wheelie or two. Hopefully we don't lose our precious cargo. So let's see what this is all about. All right, so as you can see so far, man, that was easy peasy, dude. That worked great. All right, you guys, this is kind of it, man. This is the moment of truth. I had to exchange a size 5 for size 6, and it occurred to me that the size 6 box may be a little bit bigger, and it is. When they handed it to me at the counter, I was like, oh dang, that's a lot bigger. And the dude asked me, he's like, you don't got a backpack or something? Because he saw me with my helmet. I was like, no bro, I got saddlebags, dog. So the big question though, the moment of truth, are these gonna fit, dog? are they gonna fit? Because this is a wider box. Gotta close the zipper. It's getting snagged on the zipper. There we go. Bam, dude. That's all I'm looking for, bro. That's all I'm looking for. I think we got it. So that is one thing that I hate having to bring a backpack when I'm riding my motorcycle. I mean, it's not the worst thing ever, but I just don't like having that extra luggage to carry around. So there have been times where I'm like, man, I wish I could just throw some saddlebags on it real quick. That's a cool thing with these. Out of the box on the bike, I had them installed within 5 minutes. Super easy, and you can adjust them. So I can take them off when I don't want to use them, put them on when I do want to use them. And I will say, these were given to me by free. Oh my gosh, these were given to me free. I didn't have to pay for them. They reached out, they said, hey, we've seen your YouTube videos, we like what you do. Would you be interested in reviewing this product for us? And I checked out their website first, looked into it, and it seemed like something in line with what I dig and something I could see myself purchasing. And so I said, yeah, for sure, we could do it. And in return, for you guys, if you decide to purchase it, you can use code JOHN15, that's JON15. It's my favorite scripture verse, John 15, thou dost ride your motorcycle upon one wheel until the end of thy days, and thou shalt be blessed. Use that code and I think you'll get 15% off if you do decide this is something you need. So anyway, what we're going to be testing right now is obviously just basic use, but also I want to see, there is nothing that keeps them like tied down to the fender other than that it has the seat over it. So I want to see if they really flap around a lot. So far, nothing on that side. At some point we'll put them to the test. We'll see cargo wise how much you can load in them. And I think these are in line with your other options, like your thrash and supply bags. I think they were one of the first to have kind of like a smaller, more compact option. Bam. Beautiful, bro. Fits like a glove, man. Made it back in one piece. What up, dude? And so overall, final conclusion, just initial impression. The quality seems to be there. There's nothing that's really alarming, stands out to me like right off the bat. I like that they're pretty just basic, you know, black, easy to throw on, nothing crazy. You got lots of different pocket options. If you want to go with water resistant, they do have that option as well. And it's pretty basic, man. Doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, you know what I mean? And then you throw them on when you want to use them, and you can take them off easily when you're not gonna have the need. So I'm digging them so far. Thanks again, Torque Motorcycle Co., for sending those out. Much appreciated. I will do additional videos, kind of like a long-term review and follow-up videos, and I'll try to do something more in depth with like a walk around to give you guys all the info. Like and subscribe if you dig it. Check out Torque Motorcycle Co. on Instagram. You can check the link below. Use the code JOHN15 to get a discount. That's JON15. I know Marvel Kid 87 did a really good video on these as well, and I think he has a code also, so you can hook him up. I don't care. Really, it's not about me getting any like throwback or kickback on this. It's just passing along the savings to you guys. All right, thanks again, you guys. We'll check you on the next one. Adios. Nos vemos. All right, this is from Matt, the owner of Torque. It says, hey John, Matt, the owner of Torque here. First off, thanks for helping us show these off. We hope you enjoy them. Here's a code for your followers. Oh, heck yeah. So use code JOHN15, that's JON15, JOHN15. That'll give you some kind of a discount. I don't know how big a discount, but it'll give you a discount if you decide to buy these bags. All right, so let's check out the bags. Some of the key features: adjustable Velcro strap to have the bag sit to your preference on the fender. Movable tab with holes for extra security that sits inside the Velcro strap, goes right into the seat bolt. I'll show you guys that here momentarily. Top zipper for small items. Main compartment for larger items. Double zipper on both zipper sections, allows to add a lock. Grip pad on bottom to prevent the bags from slipping on the fender. Solid PVC sidewalls and bottom floor. Ballistic nylon shell. There's a waxed canvas option that is water resistant. They did give me the option for that one, and I opted for these black ones just because I dig the look here. And let's face it, Arizona summers, we're not getting much water out here. And then on the inside of the main compartment, there's a side zipper compartment to separate items like your phone and wallet from larger items in the main compartment. Lastly, they're made in the USA, right in our workshop. So Torque Motorcycle Co. All right, so initial impressions. Look here. First thing you're always looking at is kind of like the build quality, and you can tell right off the bat if stuff feels cheap, as far as like the zippers, You can look at, I'm not like a professional seamstress dude, but just looking at the just overall quality, I'm not seeing anything that really sticks out as alarming as far as this not being quality product. So you got this portion up here where you can store stuff, and then the zipper itself. Within the bag itself, you've got different pockets, so you can store like a phone, wallet, things along those lines in here. And then you got the main compartment, and it is fabric, but it is got a form to it, so it's not just gonna collapse on you. Of course, you got the little Torque Motorcycle Co. logo there. This is like an extra piece where you can use it with the seat bolt. You just select which hole it goes in, and you're good to go there. And this is Velcro, so it's all adjustable. It seems to be pretty sturdy, pretty solid Velcro.